Hey guys, hope you're well. Thanks for coming back. I thought I would introduce the vlog. Sorry, I'm still waking up. Like bringing you to work with me each day and showing you like different things that I do and coffees and stuff like that. And then so that's a bit of fun. And then I've also got the Melbourne International Coffee Expo today and tomorrow. So I don't know, as you all know, like Melbourne is the coffee capital. So I'm really excited for that. Our boss got us tickets to go. So I thought that would be like the main thing and bring you along for that and share with you like how that goes. I think it'll be really fun. I'm excited. And it'll be cool to try different coffees. Will I be having coffee late in the day? Yes. And will I be running around the house at night? Yes. So, lucky people. Again, pretty low-key week. Just kind of, it's really hard because I'm trying to save a bit. Because James comes on Tuesday. So, it's really hard to actually like explore and not spend money because like doing events cost and like going to different places. I can walk around shops, but I don't want to buy anything because I'm trying to save money, and then also when mum and dad come. So that's kind of why I've been doing nothing. And also I'm getting a bit sick. I can feel it in my throat, and both Izzy and you are getting sick. So that'll be interesting to see how that pans out, if I get it or not. But yeah. My current order is a oat cappuccino 3/4 full strong. I just covered it in chocolate because why not? Anyway, I forgot my breakfast at home, which is so annoying, so I'm going to be a little bit naughty and make a ham and cheese toasty. Because every time I've never had one before, and every time I make one I'm like, oh gosh, I want to try one. So you know what, I don't care if I'm going to have one. Anyway, I'll show you what it looks like. Weekend ready. I am still obsessed with hot air balloons. Guys, this is cupping. This is a pour over, guys. Guys, we're roasting today.
Dream.
This is a decaf. most milk ever. Like, what the heck, man? Crazy. Hi guys, happy Saturday. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed me. Well, I didn't even ramble, just my wee montage of me at work for the week. As you might hear in my voice, I got sick on the second half of the week, so I've been a bit ill, so I wasn't able to go to like the expo for the few days. I only went that one time, but it was still really cool and like really eye-opening into the hospo industry. But yeah, I haven't exercised all week because I've been feeling ill and the weather's been terrible, but you know what, that's fine, whatever. But next week, it's my last couple nights here because James comes on Tuesday, which I'm so excited for. It's been a long 3 months, and if you don't know our backstory, we met when we were at high school, which was like 6.5 years ago now, and we haven't been in the same place once, so we've been doing long distance for the whole time. So first time we've ever been together for more than the Christmas period, which would be so nice. And also first time in a bed in ages since I like house sat like a few weeks ago, so I can't wait to be in bed, but also like I'm so grateful to have been here. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's wee vlog, but I will see you Monday. Bye guys.